How to change your name on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then click here on your profile, and now all you need to do is just click this one, edit profile, and then click here, name, and as you see now you can change it to anything you want, like test or copy. And as you see, the name has been changed, and that's how to change the name on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.